In today's video, we're going to go over how to fold and unfold the all-new BD7510 15 and 20-foot no-till drills. When we're hooking this drill up to a tractor with a Cat 4 hitch, Great Plains provides adapters that need to be used in the lower hitch pins. With that being said, we're ready to get on our tractor and unfold our drill. The fold and transport lift hydraulics are controlled in sequence by the hydraulics so that the machine will lift and rotate or rotate and lower with the same hydraulic input. The transport and field locks will lock and unlock on the same circuit automatically as needed. So before we start to unfold, we want to check and make sure we don't have any loose hydraulic hoses or electrical wiring that could get tangled in the process. So the first thing we want to do when we're unfolding is we want to make sure the drill is in line with the tractor when changing between the transport and the field modes. Make sure there's enough clearance around the drill and the tractor so that there's no bystanders or objects that the drill could hit. We also need to make sure that the tractor's in neutral so that the tractor can roll slightly during the folding and unfolding process. The first thing that needs to happen is we need to extend our field gauge wheels. Once those wheels are completely down, we can activate our second remote. The safety lock will extend and the drill will start to unfold. Once the machine is fully unloaded, we keep holding our same two remotes and it'll retract the transport wheels, and we need to keep going until the transport wheels are fully retracted. We may at some point need to adjust our rock shaft up or down. Number one, for the levelness in the field, plus when we fold it, we need it to be in the right position. Once we've got the drill fully unfolded, we need to come back here and lock in our drive hub for both the left and right side if equipped with native grass. We also need to remove the pins out of the links on the rock shaft, and we store those in the slot up on the housing. Okay, now we're ready to fold our drill. So the first thing we need to do is we need to put our pins back in our rock shaft. And if we're locked, we need to unlock our hubs. The first step to fold the drill is we want to raise the drill fully. Once the drill is fully raised, activate our other remote. That will extend our transport wheels. Once the transport wheels are fully extended, it'll start to rotate on its own. And same as unfolding, we may need to adjust our rock shaft height to get everything lined up so we can get fully locked into the transport position. Once the drill is fully locked, now we want to raise our gauge wheels until they're fully retracted. And now we're ready to go down the road.